Physical AI and humanoid robotics. This is one of the most exciting fields in engineering right now.
So how do you even start? Well, think of this as the ultimate textbook for the job.
Ever thought about building one yourself? Let's break down how you'd actually do it. There's a clear roadmap, and it takes you from the ground up to a fully intelligent system.
First, learn ROS2. Then, build a digital twin. Next, use NVIDIA for perception. And finally, give it an AI brain.
And to get all this done, you're not starting from scratch. You get a powerful toolkit.
Just how much is there to learn? We're talking 16 comprehensive chapters covering everything.
And this isn't just theory. You get over 30 working code examples to play with.
The exercises have different levels, so you can go from beginner to advanced at your own pace. The whole goal here is simple, to get you from writing basic code to creating truly intelligent action.
So with all this at your fingertips, the only question left is, what are you going to build?